Welcome student, welcome to our YouTube channel Chemistry Table. This channel is completely based on ICSE pattern, ICSE strategy and specially made for board examination class 10 ICSE. As an ICSE school teacher, I can assure you the strategy that discussed in this YouTube channel, the content, that is the video of the chapters provided in this YouTube channel, is completely based on ICSE pattern. So if you feel this channel is helpful for your board examination, please subscribe this YouTube channel. Now today is the part 5 of the chapter 3, acids, bases and salts. This part is important. Why? In this part we will discuss the preparation of acids first. So our topic is first preparation. Look at the board. From non-metal we can synthesis acid in the various way. First look at the board, slowly you can understand everything obviously in this part. Wait, first suppose you will try to prepare hydrochloric acid. So now obviously hydrogen plus Cl, Cl means chlorine, so chlorine is a non-metal. So when any non-metal react with hydrogen, not only chlorine but also bromine, but also iodine. See, H are common here, so HBr, HCl done, H and I, HI. You can also balance this equation by putting 2. If in question paper it is mentioned balance the equation, obviously you have to balance it, otherwise that's on you. If you want, you can balance the equation. So this is the first process, how to prepare acids from non-metals. Done? Okay. It is basic concept in this heading, preparation of an acid, non-metal with hydrogen. Done. Now second is most important for our board. Most of the question in board from this preparation number 2. See, acidic oxide. Acidic oxide is also called, you can write here acid oxide also, acidic oxide also called acidic anhydride. Acidic anhydride. So acidic oxide means, look at the board, acidic oxide, also called acidic anhydride. Look at the board. Suppose sulfur trioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. Okay, tell me this sulfur, carbon and metal or non-metal? Non-metal. So it is called non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide. Understand? Okay. Now when these, first I give 3 examples, later I will give more. Suppose sulfur trioxide react with water. Keeping in your mind, in water we already have hydrogen. Hydrogen, if any compound contain hydrogen atom, generally it is called acid. If you watch the previous video, then you can easily understand why here I use the term generally. Hydrogen atom indicates generally it is acid, it is an acid, because whenever hydrogen attached with electronegative element like fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen, these 4, fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen, when any hydrogen attached with these 4, then these are called acid. Look at the board, CH3COOH. See, these hydrogen attached with carbon, these hydrogen attached with oxygen. Tell me which one is acidic? This hydrogen or this hydrogen, both are hydrogen, but hydrogen does not indicate always acid. The hydrogen which attached with this 4, see, oxygen. So this is acidic hydrogen, but not this is. Okay, that I discuss in detail in the previous part. Okay, see, when SO3 react with water, it will form H2SO4. What is the name? Sulfuric acid. Now H2 again, it will form H2SO3. Why? See, already one hydrogen is one oxygen is less here. So H2SO3. What is the name? Sulfurous acid. So it is called ic acid, sulfuric ic acid. It is called us acid, sulfurous acid. Okay, now carbon dioxide when reacts with water, it will form H2CO3. It is called carbonic acid. So these three are the preparation of the various type of acid: sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, carbonic acid. From where? From acidic oxide, or another name of acidic oxide is, see, acidic and oxide or non-metallic oxide. Okay, you can choose the another one, P2O5. What is the name of P2O5? Phosphorus pentoxide. And when it will react with water, phosphorus pentoxide, when it react with water, okay, phosphorus, can you tell me a name? See, look at the board. Sulfur, an acid contains sulfur is sulfuric acid, an acid contains sulfur is sulfuric acid, an acid contain here carbon, an acid contain carbon is carbonic acid. Can you tell me the name of an acid which contain phosphorus? Yes, phosphorus acid, H3PO4, or phosphoric acid, phosphoric acid. Now next, N2O5 plus water. Okay, can you tell me the name of an acid which contain nitrogen? Very, very common acid. An acid which contain nitrogen is, yes, nitric acid, HNO3. Okay, now these all 5 are for our board examination. All 5, you have to memorize these all 5. See, so what is the acidic oxide? Keeping in your mind sulfur, sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen. So sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen. Now my question is, I will rub the from first. Now my question is, if I will give NO2, tell me, when NO2 react with water, when NO2 reacts with water, what will happen? Already done. N means nitric acid. So see, when CO2, carbon contain carbonic acid, phosphorus contain phosphoric acid, nitrogen contain nitric acid. So here also nitric acid, no problem. Yes, obviously there is a problem. Keeping in your mind, this NO2 is acidic oxide or anhydride oxide, but the NO2, this NO2 has the power to produce 2 acids simultaneously. In previous all cases, see, only one acid in each cases, all cases, either sulfuric acid or sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, nitric acid. But only one, nitrogen dioxide, it is an acid that can produce 2 acids. It is called nitric acid, it is called nitrous acid. Okay, that is why the NO2 is called double because it will form 2, double or mixed acid anhydride. That is why NO2 is called double or mixed acid anhydride. Do you understand? You have to read in this way. to get the full marks in board. Okay. You can also watch the two videos that is very helpful for the board. Before starting class 10, you must watch these two video. One video is strategy, how to start class 10, how to read textbook, how to make self note, and what to avoid. I already uploaded this video on this topic, strategy for class 10 before starting. And another second video, how to write in the board copy. This video also uploaded. So watch these two video, very important. So do you understand our second and see already written important, most important preparation of various type of acids done. Now third from again non-metal, again from non-metal. Do you remember this first process? First process means see hydrogen with non-metal. This is already done. But in here in this topic I have a question. Already non-metal was done in the preparation number 1. So what is the necessity of this preparation number 3? Yes. In this preparation number 3 we choose only non-metal like suppose sulfur, phosphorus. But this sulfur and phosphorus reacts with another acids. So we can produce acids from acid. For example, sulfur. When sulfur reacts with nitric acid, so it is already acid. So in this process we can prepare or we can synthesize different type of acids from a particular acid when it's react with non-metal. Tell me what is the process to understand. It is already an acid. Can you tell me the name of an acid which contain sulfur? Yes. So nitric acid when react with sulfur it will form sulfuric acid. And what is the side product? Another side product is constant. See, sulfur produces corresponding acid sulfuric acid. In nitric acid since water, so another side product is water, and see here NO. So nitrogen dioxide gas will form in the medium. Do you understand? So H2SO4, water, NO2. These two are the side product. Main product is sulfuric acid. Okay, now my next question is same acid, nitric acid. Tell me the product. Can you solve this? Yes, if you understand this one, you can easily solve it. Sulfur form its corresponding sulfuric acid. So phosphorus form its corresponding phosphorus acid or phosphoric acid. Okay, so answer is H3PO4 and two side products. See, phosphorus produces corresponding acid, hydrogen is there, so water plus C NO2, not NO3. After reaction it will form nitrogen dioxide. Done. So we have only these two according to our board syllabus ICSE. We have only these two reaction when two non-metals react with only sulfuric acid, give their corresponding acids. Sulfur, sulfuric acid, phosphorus, phosphoric acid. Done. Okay. So now preparation number 4. This is the last preparation. According to everything according to our syllabus. Okay. Now preparation number 4 is displacement. Okay. Now displacement of what? Displacement of, suppose we have less volatile acid. For example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Less volatile means suppose in a container if you take sulfuric acid, if in a container if you take some amount of sulfuric acid, if you open the lid of the container, then it will not evaporate it out. If any acid is not evaporated out, it is called non-volatile or less volatile. So in this process we can produce less volatile to more volatile acid. Do you understand? So in this process we can produce less volatile to more volatile in presence of triangle means heat. Okay, now see how, what is the process. Here also we have only two process. See, less volatile acid when reacts with any salt, salt means suppose NaCl. See what is the answer. See, tell me first, don't memorize anything. Suppose it is an acid. Suppose I do not know what is the more volatile acid. Forget about more volatile acid. It is less volatile acid and we have salt. Can you tell me when they react with each other, which acid will form? See, Cl and H. Forget this number 2, 2, 3, forget this number. It will maintain, we can maintain the number in the balance equation. Forget about balancing. First try to prepare HCl, no? See, so more volatile acid is here HCl. Now which atoms are left? Here Na. So write Na. How many Cl already done here? 1 H here. So how many hydrogen left? 1 H and then SO4. So HSO4. Can you tell me what is this? It is hydrogen. It contains hydrogen. In previous part I discussed it contains hydrogen. It is called acidic salt. So see, already we have idea, less volatile to more volatile. Forget about which one is more volatile. First try to prepare any acid, HCl. So HCl is more volatile and NaHSO4 left. So NaHSO4 is called acidic salt. Why? Acid is there and it is also salt. What is the name? Sodium hydrogen and sulfate. Sodium hydrogen sulfate. Done? Okay. Now if I'll give you another salt, suppose NaNO3. Can you tell me the name of this? Okay, I rub this word. Can you tell me the name of this? Sodium nitrate or sodium nitrite? Answer is sodium nitrate. NaNO2 sodium nitrite. It is NaNO3 sodium nitrate. Okay, tell me here which acid will form? Sulfuric acid we have. See here HCl. Can you find out any acid here? See NO3. So HNO3. Do you understand? So HNO3 nitric acid is more volatile. If you open the mouth of the container or the lid of the container, it will volatile, that is evaporated out in presence of atmospheric temperature or heat. So HNO3 done. Now which one is left? Na. NO3 already done here. 1H. So how many H left? 1H. SO4. So tell me, it is also same. H is there. So both are same. Both are acidic salt. Sodium bisulfate. Name is sodium bisulfate. So these all about the preparation of an acid, various type of acid, not a particular acid. We already shown here sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, all. So this is all about the preparation of acid and this is important for your board. So prepare this part after watching this video. Make your self note and if you want you can read one time your textbook and you will see you have all idea that is important for your board, because in this channel we don't teach based on suggestion. No, it is not based on suggestion. It based on completely the syllabus from ICSE. So watch this video, make your self note, and in the next part 6 of the chapter 3 I'll come with another concept. Prepare your self note and study well. Thank you.